Hey Popo, so here's something wild. Imagine being remembered by a bird for years. Not just recognized, but actually held accountable for something you did. That's exactly what crows do, and scientists have proven it in the most fascinating way. Crows have brains about the size of a walnut, but don't let that fool you, Popo. Their brain to body ratio is similar to great apes. They've got a region called the nidopallium, which works kind of like our cerebral cortex. This is where they store facial recognition data and emotional associations with specific people.
Now here's where it gets really interesting.
Scientists at the University of Washington did an experiment where they wore masks while trapping crows. They wore these caveman masks to look threatening. Years later, and I mean years, those same crows would dive bomb anyone wearing that specific mask. They even taught their offspring to hate that face.
So how long can crows hold a grudge?
The research shows they can remember individual faces for at least 5 years, possibly their entire 17-year lifespan. And it's not just passive memory, Popo. They actively avoid people who wronged them and warn other crows about threats.
But here's the flip side that's equally amazing. Crows also remember people who are kind to them. If you regularly feed crows, they'll recognize you, bring their family around, and some people even report getting gifts. Shiny objects, bottle caps, buttons. They're literally saying thank you with little treasures. What makes this truly remarkable is cultural transmission.
Young crows learn who to trust and who to fear by watching their parents' reactions. This means a crow that never personally met you might still recognize your face based purely on what its parents taught it. That's sophisticated social learning. So Popo, next time you see a crow, remember this. You're looking at one of nature's smartest creatures with incredible memory. They can recognize your face for years, hold grudges, pass knowledge to their kids, and even reward kindness. Maybe it's worth being on their good side. Great job following along, Popo.